so we're getting.
Why is this one's already marked on the shaft?
Oh, that's me. That's an insert tune on.
Oh, I gotta just switch sides.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Start upside down. All right, my messy garage people. We're Nock tuning. Last arrow. We already got 8 done. Brandon really lucked out.
Gotta be lucky sometimes.
Yeah. Well, I got looks and you got Nock tuning arrows. So hold on a second before we start that. Did you mark the, so we paint one side of the Nock.
Oh, you know what? We forgot this.
Ah, crazy. Craziness. All right. So white paint marker. I'll mark it so we can see. There we go. We know which side is up now. We have a very professional setup here of a cardboard box, paper, and a giant bulldog target behind it. So there we go there. Got 225 grains up front on a 300 shafts Apollo. Yep. All right. About 3 feet away. And look at that. Hold on. That is very close to a bullet hole. It's slightly tearing down. So entry tear. So Brandon, the fact that it's not perfect, what are we going to do?
We're going to turn it just a little bit counterclockwise.
All right, you pull it out a little bit to turn the Nock off. That way it's at the way it's going to be when it's being hunted with. Right. It got worse. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in the opposite direction. So let's do that. All right. So this is where it was at. We're going to move it clockwise about 1/4 of an inch past where it was.
So that's where it was. Now we'll go a little bit past.
There we go. And what we're trying to do is get perfect flight off the rest at release. Come on, Brandon, let's go.
Patience.
Let's go, Brandon, let's go.
Everybody's cheering for me in the country these days, so I kind of like it.
Ooh.
It's definitely a lot smaller.
Yep, it's looking better. Let's keep going in that same direction. Yep, we're getting there. If we can get perfection, that's great, but if we want to get as close to perfection as possible.
Okay, so we're just a little further.
Yep, clockwise. There we go.
Just a hair.
Yep, keep going. We're gonna find that. We're gonna find that spine. It'll be lined up, and then next we got fletchings to do. And the sight end, because you got a new rest and you got a new sight. Ooh, that sounded wicked. All right, we're staying about the same, so keep going.
Yeah, I guess you go fine now.
Yeah, move it a little more clockwise.
It's actually changed a little bit. The tear was this way, now it's this way.
Okay.
It is a little bit smaller though.
All right, well, let's definitely see what we can do. Sorry, guys, I'm actually shooting this off my camera because I just had the realization that we hadn't shot any video for the Noctune process. So this is all you need. You need, 8 feet of distance, a target, piece of paper, and a cardboard box with painter's tape. That's all it is. And it works. You get the roll of paper off of Amazon. I think it's like $25. All right.
It's the same thing.
Go. Yeah, staying about the same. Let's. You know what? Let's do something crazy. Let's shoot it upside down. No, that's. I mean, we got the rest in the right place. It's pretty much perfect. We're just about. I don't know. I'd say about a quarter inch, 3/16 off of like bullet hole. And some arrows just aren't going to bullet hole.
This might be one of them. The others are just taking 5 shots.
Yep.
So far. Yeah, that definitely got worse.
Yeah, so upside down is definitely worse. Look at that. It's twice the size of everything else.
It's amazing how much difference it makes.
Yeah, it's insane, isn't it? Now imagine that at 40 yards. Imagine that at 50 yards, 60 yards on an animal. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's going to correct and stuff, but if it's not coming off perfect, that's kind of weird clockwise.
Yeah, we're going to go that way.
Yep.
Well, the original way a little bit further.
Yep.
Look, you watch. We're going to end up lining up right with the original.
That's going to be hilarious.
That would be funny.
No, it's actually when I was insert tuning, I insert tune it backwards.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, that will be hilarious.
I almost want to go to that just to see if it.
Let's shoot it one more time and then we'll go to it.
This is
Yeah, that'd be funny. That means I'm not just like professional. I'm like a guru. Like I can feel the arrow.
DJ the Prophet.
Yeah. Oh, you shot the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Was it this or that?
It was the lowest one.
The lowest one. So much smaller. Look at that.
It is smaller. It's in the same spot as it was. I mean, it just needs to go a little.
That, dude. All right, go to the line. Maybe I was right from the beginning.
We're going to try that.
Yeah, let's do that.
I almost feel like that's going to be too far, but no, that's about right. That's about
Well,
how
let's
far I would have
see.
turned it on the next turn.
Well, let's check it out.
Okay, we're going to just put it right on it and see.
All right. I have faith in you, Brandon. AKA Ginger Snap. Dude is a wicked, wicked wrestler. Back in the day. What we got?
Good. Maybe about as good as it's going to get with this one.
No, move it back. This one's bigger. This one's smaller. Yeah, go counterclockwise back where it was. And that's done.
Just like in between the two?
Yep, try that. Because, yeah, that's definitely bigger. So all right, I'm not a prophet. Yeah, but that bottom hole that you shot, like, that's pretty much what we're going after anyway. We should have stopped there, but, you know. Let's see what we got. All right, shoot again. All right, cool.